Hey ladies, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel where I love teaching styling tips and solutions to help you feel confident because when you look good, you feel good. Today we are going to talk about how to dress and flatter your oval body shape. If you missed my video on how to measure yourself to figure out what your body shape is, you are going to want to check that one out first. I have linked it up above, right up here, and also down below in my description. That is a must watch if you don't know what your body shape is or if you still have further questions. So go check that out. I'm assuming that if you are still here, then you are an oval body shape, so welcome. Today we are going to talk about what it means to be an oval body shape. Celebrities that share your same shape so that you can kind of see what they're wearing and what works or what doesn't work. Your general styling goals when you are dressing your body, and most importantly, are what pieces are going to fit and flatter your body. What are those key power pieces that you need to be incorporating into your wardrobe? And also, what are those pieces that you just need to bench, that you shouldn't be wearing because they're not doing anything for your body? What does it mean to be an oval body shape? Well, first, I have to cover this common misconception because it drives me nuts. And that is that oval bodies are the overweight body shape. And it is simply not true. Any body shape can be overweight, whether you are a triangle or an hourglass. It all just varies on where you carry your weight. Does that make sense? Generally speaking, your oval body shape measurements are all about equal. You may notice that you have slender legs, a larger bust, and more narrow hips. Since you tend to carry more weight in your midsection and your bust, you also have an undefined waistline, and we will get to that later. But first, I like to give a visual reference for my fellow visual learners out there. So let's look at some celebrities who share your same body shape. This would be Drew Barrymore, Amy Schumer, Catherine Zeta-Jones, and Jennifer Hudson. If you look these ladies up, you will notice just how much nipping and belting they are doing to give themselves a more defined waistline. As you go about dressing yourself, always keep in mind these two styling goals just to create more visual proportion in your body. The first, because your body isn't naturally defined, you are going to want to create an illusion of a defined waistline. And this is the exact same for the rectangle body shape as well. You are also going to want to play up your slender legs because this is one of your key defining assets to your body shape. It is a good one. Shall we get into the meat of this? What clothes are going to fit and flatter my cute oval body shapes? Let's start at the top with our tops. When you are choosing tops, look for styles that are going to define your midsection and give you a waistline. Structure is your best friend here. So you'll want to avoid tops that are too form-fitting or on the flip side have no structure at all and are just shapeless. Keep in mind that structure does not mean bulky or thick. You want to stay away from the thick and the bulky because it's just going to add bulk. Feel free to wear any tops that are a square or a deep V or a U-neck because this is going to highlight your assets and also bring the eye upward, which is something that we are wanting. Wrap style tops and jackets with a deep V and simple sleeves is also going to look really good on you. Just make sure that these tops are defining your natural waistline. That's where you want them to nip in and to tie. You also want them to flare out at your hips. Tailored tunic style tops that nip in at the waist and flare out at the hips is also another great option. Now let's talk about jackets that are gonna look really good on your body because there are a number of them. Starting with a belted safari style jacket with those prominent pockets and a deep neckline. This is going to help add curves to your hips and minimize your tummy. Tailored jackets with a wide stance collar, a nipped in waist, and flaring out at your hips is also going to be a good option. If you can, find one that will button below your bust line because that will be the most flattering. Also, we cannot disregard science here. Vertical lines just trick the eye. They have this incredible way of making you appear longer and slimmer because it draws the eye up and down. So look for vertical lines in your tops. That could be in the form of, well, actual lines or lapels, collars, anything that is going to draw the eye up and down. This leads me to my next point, and that is tops that you are going to want to avoid. First of all, anything with horizontal stripes. If vertical lines lead the eye up and down, horizontal lines lead them out and will broaden any part of your body. You are also going to want to avoid tucking in your tops because this is just going to add bulk in your midsection, which we're not looking for. This last tip you may already know because I'm sure you were all experts by this point, but you want to avoid any heavy pleating or ruffles around your waistline as it's just gonna make you look fuller. I'm feeling pretty good about the tops. How are you feeling? Should we move on to the bottoms? Because whether you are throwing on your favorite pair of jeans or a comfy skirt, there are tons of bottom and trouser and dress options that are gonna flatter your figure. Here are some power pieces that are going to look bomb on you. The first are boot or straight leg trousers or jeans. These are very flattering on you because they create this line from your hips all the way down to your shoes, which will make your body appear taller and slimmer. Yes, great idea. Also, wide leg trousers, palazzo pants, boyfriend jeans are going to look really good on you because they're going to create balance between your midsection and your lower half. They are also going to create curves to your hips, which is going to look really balanced and proportioned. You will want to avoid anything that is too tight, like tight skinny jeans or leggings. Now, if you want a slim leg option, look for a straight-legged pant or a cigarette style pant. These are going to be really flattering on you and more flattering than a super skinny jean. Because you are trimmer in your hips, you most likely have killer legs and we need to be playing them up. Maybe not all of you, but I'm sure majority of you have great legs and I'm sure that that is a feature that you love to flaunt. So let's talk about ways to do that in dresses and skirts. The trick is going to find dresses and skirts that nip it at your waist and then are floatier on your bottom half. Some great options for you would be an A-line dress or a skater dress because these skim over your tummy but then flare out really nice at your hips. Also, if you can, look for a defined waistline to create and give your body some definition. Take full advantage of your figure by choosing strapless or sleeveless dresses, even one-shoulder dresses. As you are Googling your celebrities, you will notice that a lot of them are sporting these styles on the runway because they're just so flattering on you. Also, midi skirts with ruffled detailing at the bottom would look really good on you because this will give the illusion of this hourglass silhouette by creating some volume in your bottom half. Don't be scared to choose a flared mini skirt because you have the legs for it. And not many people can say that. Also, use color blocking or side paneling to your advantage. It's like magic to the eyes. It's truly remarkable. You're gonna want to avoid pencil skirts or those really tight mini skirts because it's just not right for your proportions. It's gonna make you look unbalanced and top heavy. We always wanna flare out at bottom to create those long, pretty slimming lines. Now let's talk about accessories because I love them. I love accessories. They just can make an outfit. And for you, you lucky duck, you can wear bold accessories, especially earrings because it is going to bring the attention to your face and bring the eye upwards, which is what we want. We want people looking at your face because it's gorgeous. Long pendant necklaces are also a great option because it creates those vertical lines that we're looking for. When it comes to shoes, your legs are your assets. So bring the eyes to your legs with bold shoes, fun patterns, bright colors. Like this is where you can get really fun and creative. Also embrace shoes with heels because this is going to give you some length and some height to your frame. Wedges are especially comfortable for the spring and the summer, and for the fall and the winter, heeled boots are a great option. All right, my beautiful oval bodies. I love you. Thank you for watching. I am so happy that you're here. We talked about what it means to be an oval shape, celebrities that share your same body shape so that you can Google them and find inspiration from them. Use them. Use them. We also talked about some general styling guidelines, and most importantly, what are your power pieces? What are those pieces that are going to fit and flatter your body the most, and which ones to avoid? I hope that you love this video. If you did, if you learned something from it, please like it, please subscribe, and please share with your friends, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.